So last week I decided to take my DJI drone mountain surfing and completely lost it. Here's the story of what happened. The quad had like a 30% battery suddenly, and we're not going to be able to see this in the DVR unfortunately, but it says battery, what did it say? Something, battery something, shutting down motors. And it just tumbled way up here on the mountain. What the f? So this is my first time taking the DJI FPV up into the mountains, and honestly it doesn't really handle that well in the wind, but I was loving that image quality, and that gimbal's really cool for getting unique shots. Now I did get a low battery warning, but I had 30% battery, and I was just about to head back home when this happened. Look. 999. 999. Okay, so got this bump here. And then I was flying straight down here, right here. So the quad should be right about here. So unfortunately, I couldn't connect to the DJI Go Fly app to get more information about the crash. I didn't really have proper clothes or even a backpack, but I decided it was worth climbing up to the last location showing in the DVR footage with the idea that maybe I would get lucky. So I think I have to get over here. The problem is this is actually pretty icy and it just goes down there. The funny part is the other drone I lost was on this peak right here just a few months ago. Not having good luck with these new drone tests. Also, I'm running out of time now because here comes a snowstorm. So I need to probably get off this mountain. Yeah, in fact, I can see the snow coming. Shit. It's funny because everything looks like it could be the drone. Ooh, is that the drone? Oh, is that the drone? Ooh, is that it in the snow? The reality of the situation is even if I did find it, the FPV would be so smashed to bitch. On all these rocks, the gimbal, the arms, probably everything would be pretty messed up. But it'd be nice to have some extra parts at least. Oh well. Well, I guess the lesson here today is that the DJI FPV is not great for mountain surfing. Shit.